Welcome back to another video. I want to make this very quick. This is for people that are already in CTFO, trying to figure out how to get more leads, more signups, and this is for anyone that wants to get into CTFO, but they're not sure how they're going to get members. This is how I grow my business outside of the internet. I've mentioned these devices and this marketing strategy over and over. This goes around the spectrum. This can market music, events, um, products, food. This can help small businesses. This can help big businesses. Big businesses actually already use this. I'm going to keep mentioning this, especially with the updates coming. If you want to take your CTFO business to the next level, like I said, offline, these are specifically how I do it. I'm going to touch on how it works now, but what we're mainly going to focus on from here on out is the new update, which is happening either, the 6th of December or maybe even earlier than that. Right now, this device targets Android phones. Android has 60% of the market for those who say, what about iPhone? So these target Android devices that have their location settings on their Bluetooth uh, which most people do. Nowadays, everything is Bluetooth, and nowadays everyone uses the location, on their phone. So this specific beacon gem broadcasts out 100 meters, 100 meter radius. So I can put a 40 character message, describing whatever it is I'm offering or selling, and link it to a secure website of my product or whatever I'm offering. So when anyone with an Android device and it has those things, location on, Bluetooth on, anyone that comes 100 meters in my radius sends that link and that message to their notification screen. So when they scroll down, you're going to see my 40 character message and free advertisement, so to say. So that's how this works now. And I've had this for almost 2 years, and that's how I've been killing it. It's no secret, very simple, plug and play. What's really getting me excited and what's really going to change your business if you're looking at any company such as CTFO is, like I said, starting December 6th or maybe even a little bit earlier, now you're going to be able to have unlimited character advertisement put on some of the top social media sites, and we're going to specifically just single out Facebook. For example, Facebook is going to be one of the companies on our market. So this time around, it doesn't matter if they have an Android device, it doesn't matter if they have an iPhone device, it doesn't matter if their location or Bluetooth is on. Anyone that comes in the vicinity of your gym radius will get your specific ad that you want to post put on their social media. To simple what I just said down even more. Say someone comes in your radius and they're on Facebook scrolling down the feed. Usually you've probably have seen these and scrolled through these. There's ads on Facebook. There's different ads, they say learn here, click here, go here. Usually some of the things that you search, they end up popping up on your Facebook. Your ad is going to be one of those. You will be guaranteed a specific amount of impressions, views, so to say, to your ad. After that, depending on the popularity of your ad, more impressions will come. But the company just wants to, give you a sense of, comfort of saying, we promise you this amount of views. It depends on if your ad's good, if your picture, your image is good. But the fact you get a whole ad posted on top networks such as Facebook for a set price amount, however much your specific gym costs monthly. For a set price a month, you get all this free advertisement on some of the biggest platforms. We can say everyone might not have an Android device. Everyone might not have location and Bluetooth on. But we cannot say that no one's going to be on Facebook. No one's going to be searching the web. And I'm going to update you on when I get the specific list of websites. But we can, like I said, we can say people are surfing Facebook all the time. People are scrolling through all the time. So this ups that 60% way higher on who's going to be able to view your ad between the most two dominant phone brands, Android and iPhone. So if you want something more plug and play when you jump in a company such as this, CTFO, the Royaltie Gem is going to take over the game. Not only are you able to get paid off of the Royaltie Gem, but it's just great to have, period. I'm going to leave my information below. I'm going to make a lot of videos, and a lot of them are going to be based on this Royaltie Gem because this is going to be, you know, the sweet spot to making a lot of money online. As simple as that. Even if you do not promote this Royaltie Gem, just having it to promote any company you are in is going to take your business to the next level. You're going to actually be able to reach a lot of people and get real results every day you're out. But I'm going to cut this video short because I want to make more videos. So anyone that comes to this channel, like I said, the Royaltie Gem is going to be very dominant in 2019, 2018. You want to take advantage. A lot of people are not going to take advantage. So be it. Go through that learning curve that I went through for 5 years. But if you're smart and you get what I'm saying, information will be below. Email will be below. Contact me if you have any questions. I'm telling you, this is going to take your business to the next level. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Get us a thumbs up. And be on the look for some big things coming 2018, 2019.